Another dawn is breaking over the Sunshine Zoo. All of our friends are waiting, so you know just what to do. Get ready for the action. Turn on your Zoo TV. We're all saying hello from our Zoo TV show. Clap your hands and let's go with a zoo troop. Calling out to the world. Every boy, every girl. Sharing laughter with you. With a zoo troop.
Oh, I'm so excited about going to Sunshine Zoo. I'm going to play football, do jigsaw puzzles, and make loads of new friends. I'm looking forward to it as well. I hear there's dodgem cars in swimming pools. I love water dodgems and swimming. Wow-wee! Oh, it wasn't my fault. It was the truck. You can't blame the truck for everything. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, I can. Dad, where are you? Oh, you're squashing me. Oh. Mayday! Mayday! Help! My vehicle is trapped in the forest near the Sunshine Zoo. There is no escape. I repeat, no escape. Dad, who's going to save us? I'm scared.
What's the plan for today's shows? My Zoo Troop friends, how are we today?
Yeah, I'm all right. Listen, I got some great ideas.
Hey, one at a time, Polly. You go first.
There are 2 rhinos, Eric and Eddie, coming all the way from Africa to see us. I can't wait to hear their stories.
Is Eric the boy?
No, Eric is the father, Eddie is the son. I'm so smart. Now, I'm going to make some traditional costumes. They're very colourful. I want them to feel welcome, and I want to prepare a nice meal. Fresh soup, sweet potatoes, cheese straws, yummy! Stew, I'm thinking vegetable, then melon for dessert. What do you think?
That sounds delicious. What about you, Ned?
I'll make some sounds to welcome them. I've got some great African beats.
Well done. Those are great ideas. You better get to work on them. Hello? Our show starts in 1 minute. Greedy, I need you to go to the studio and get ready for transmission. Oh, Greedy, use the door next time, please. All right. Good. 3, 2, 1.
Hiya, it's Anxious, bringing you weather from all over the world. Today's weather is brought to you by fresh milk, keeping your teeth strong and healthy. First, let me say happy birthday to Steve the Squirrel from America. He's 8 years old now. Wow, you're getting big. And this picture is from Carrie the koala bear in Australia, who sent in a lovely picture of me giving the weather forecast. Thank you, Carrie. Except I'm an elephant, not a hippo, and I'm pink, not blue, and I'm not a boy, I'm a girl. Apart from that, it's perfect. Now let's have a look at today's weather all around the world.
Zoo Troop News.
Greedy. News just in. I smell, and Ned is so smart. Ned, stop messing about with the earpiece. Sorry about that, viewers. We do have news coming in from Rory, our reporter. Rory, can you tell us more?
Hey, Zoo Troop fans, I'm Rory, and have we got a drama here for you. 2 rhinos from Africa are coming for a holiday with us, but are stuck at the bottom of the hill, 7 miles from the Sunshine Zoo. As we all know, most rhinos are gray, but these are special white rhinos.
Why are white rhinos special?
Good question, Anxious. You see, white rhinos are an endangered species.
Endangered species? What does that mean?
It means there are only a few of them left in the world. If we don't take care of them, they could disappear forever, like the dodo. So we need to make sure that they get safely to Sunshine Zoo.
The minus sign shows how very cold it is. Roads are not safe. Trains have broken down. Although I don't know if a rhino could fit on a train seat or even find a seat in rush hour.
The only way to save them is by using the Zoocopter.
Rory, thank you for your story. Please keep us updated. Rhinos live in hot climates like Africa and Asia, which means they're not used to cold weather and snow. Oh. We have to help the rhinos.
We will! With you giving us weather reports throughout the day, we can save them!
Is that all you want me to do? I want to make sure no harm comes to them.
If there's more rain or snow on the way, we need the best weather girl in the zoo telling us what's happening, don't we?
Oh, I suppose.
Excellent! Now, rush back to the studio. I can't imagine what Greedy's doing by himself. Hey!
Don't worry, son. Help will arrive soon. Can I go outside and play? Oh, I've never seen snow before. Let's stay inside for the time being. We'll be safe here.
Oh, Ned, there's snow everywhere.
Cool! I can't wait! I'm joking!
Okay, gather around, team. It's gonna be tough out there. We need to work together like we always do. This is a job for the Zoo Troop. Good luck, everybody. Yeah!
The weather has not changed, so until I hear some news, let's keep warm by skipping. Take the handle in each hand, twirl it around, and jump. Hang on in there, guys. We're coming to rescue you.
Oh, the trees are blocking our entry.
Go to the top of the hill. We can use a sledge to rescue them.
Great idea, Polly.
Oh, look! There's Rory!
Oh, we can't fit you in, Ned. What are we gonna do?
Don't worry, I'll use my snowboard.
we call for help?
Oh, we're so glad you came.
Don't worry, we'll get you out of here really soon. I'm Polly, and this is Ned.
I know, Polly. I watch your celebrity show on Zoo Troop TV. And Ned, oh, your music is wowee.
When we get back to the zoo, you can have a play on my music system.
That's very kind.
I thought you might be hungry. Hey, where's all the food gone?
Greedy, count me in. 5, 4.
3, 2, 1, and action!
Hey, Zoo Troop fans, it's Rory again, bringing you up-to-the-minute news. We've come to rescue the white rhinos, Eric and Eddie, but the transporter is stuck in the snow. And wait, we have a link to go across live to Anxious in the studio for the latest weather bulletin. Hi, Anxious, can you hear me?
Hi, Rory. Yes, I can. I've just received information that the ice is cracking underneath the snow. This is normally a river and is very dangerous. The water will be absolutely freezing. Whatever happens, do not walk on the ice or you might fall in.
Is there any other advice you can give?
Yes, get out of there as soon as possible.
I'm going to get the zoocopter. Prepare for liftoff.
This is exciting stuff, boys and girls. Can we make it? Well, can we?
I'll see you at the top. How are you doing?
Oh, it feels so cold.
Yes, it does. But snow's great fun, isn't it?
I don't know. I've never seen snow on the ground before. Hey, we can have a snowball fight. It seems really fun.
I promise we can, as soon as we get back to the zoo. And I have a nice surprise waiting for you.
Oh, tell me. What is it?
You'll have to wait. Now give me a high five. Yeah!
Here we go, guys. Hey, all right, take it away. Yeah. Oh, no!
Oh no! We'll have to leave the truck behind and save the rhinos a different way.
Quick, we need to jump across. There's not much time. Oh! Oh, come on!
Oh, there's no way I can jump across that.
And Angus said we'd freeze if we walked through it.
Please help me, Daddy. Don't worry, son. We'll find a way.
Try pole vaulting over.
A rhino would break that. They have heavy legs. I mean they're massive. Well, big-bellied. I mean bulky. Well, no offense.
None taken.
Sorry, I'm just trying to explain. Come on, Rory. You've had so much experience interviewing animals in the wild. What's the solution? I got it! The tree!
Great idea. What about it?
Knock it down. We'll use the branch to walk across the river.
I'm not sure if I can do that. Hurry up, son. The river could get even wider. Concentrate. I know you can do it.
Hey, yeah! Steady. steady, Eddie. Hey, that rhymes.
You did it!
Well done!
Congratulations, team! You did a wonderful job, especially you, Anxious. You warned us of the dangerous weather.
Oh, thank you so much for saving me and Eddie.
Oh, it's nothing.
I knew you'd be missing home, so I thought it would be nice to make you a little something.
Oh.
Animals all over the world have been watching us. I think a few words need to be said.
Yes, today was a tough day. But hey, that's me. Tough. Prepared to take risks for my fellow animals.
Rory, I wasn't talking about you.
Ah.
I can't take all the glory. I did have some help.
For goodness sake, you know exactly who needs to say a few words.
Oh dear, that's funny.
Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Remember, animals need love and care too. So when there's trouble about, give us a shout. Just call the Zoo Troop.